probably don't have like, I probably have like 1 or 2 products that she owns. And I thought it'd be cool to do this video because I know a lot of people can relate and they don't have the same products as these, you know, YouTubers. But you can still get the same look, you know, using what you have. So that's what we're gonna try to do today. This is the best we got, so we're just gonna start going. I have already moisturized my face, which I'm assuming she has too, but maybe not.
Alright, so today for priming, I want to be a true Instagram legend, so I'm going to be priming using the Farsali Unicorn Essence.
Okay, so she first starts out using the Farsali Unicorn Essence, and I did have a sample of this from Sephora, but I already used it all, so I'm going to find something that I can use to mimic exactly what this product is. Okay, so the closest thing I found was this So Susan Afterglow Water-Based Pure Luminizer. Not like a dropper like the Farsali one, but it'll do for now. Need more.
Your mouth. Then to mattify my T-zone area, I'm gonna go in with this right here. This is by Cover FX, the Custom Blot Drops.
Okay, so then she uses the Custom Blot Drops by Cover FX, and I don't have those, but I do have like an oil control type thing. It's the MAC Prep and Prime Skin Refine Zone Treatment. I barely have any of this left, so let's just, I don't want to put too much of this. You don't need too much of this product, because if you use too much, it'll start getting like weird.
This right here is a oil control product, and this is going right on my T-zone, because you know I like my oil to be controlled there. For foundation today, I'm using a brand new one that I've never tried before. This is Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion. Okay, so she uses the Laura Mercier Ultra Long Wear Foundation, and I just looked it up, and it has 15-hour long wearing, oil-free, transfer resistant, matte finish, medium full coverage. What I have is the Marc Jacobs foundation, and it's kind of similar. It's more full coverage and not medium at all. And it's a natural finish, not matte. And it lasts 24 hours, I guess, instead of 15. So mine looks like this. Don't need that. So I'm gonna start, you know, pouncing this on my skin, I guess. She uses the NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer. And just for the sake of the video, I'll use, you know, like a pot concealer. The Kevyn Aucoin Sensual Skin Enhancer with the MAC Studio Fix, because it's a little too light for me, and then the MAC one is too dark for me. The Fit Me Loose Powder in 05, I'm gonna set my under eyes with that.
She uses shade 5, but I'm also shade 5, so. Oh, and then she did her eyebrows, so I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera, and I'll be right back. Whew, okay, brows are done. Took a while. She usually primes with soft ochre, but she's using MAC Select Cover Up. I have soft ochre. Oh. The closest I have to that is this orange in the 35B. So, we'll see how this goes, because that looks pretty fucking vibrant. This is what makes tutorials hard, because you don't have the same products, but that's why we gotta improvise. Okay, 7 brushes. Start packing.
Blend that out big. Once that is applied, I go in with the yellow.
Yeah, I'm not done yet. She's bringing this up like to her eyebrow. So, okay, I'm gonna do this eye really quick, and I'll be right back. So I'm gonna take this yellow and start blending out this orange, I guess. Yellow. I don't think I put enough on. So I keep having to bring the orange higher because it doesn't look like hers. She brought it like on, like almost on her eyebrow. So that's the trick, guys. You gotta bring up your shadow a little higher. Don't be scared. I definitely get scared to bring my shadow up too high. I just get too scared, you know.
So for this first portion, it's gonna look very, very messy, but then we're gonna fix it a couple moments later.
And then she uses a purple like this one. That was fast. So we get this purple and tap off a lot of the excess, guys.
I'm basically using the purple as the next transition step for the darkest color on the lid.
So you guys, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna pack on the purple first with this and then blend it out with this. See if that gets easier, because I don't have the same brushes as her. So we're just gonna see if this works a little bit better. And then she wings this out, I see, so I'm just gonna kind of wing it. Too little! I'm so confused. I need smaller brushes. Ah! So I have this little small blending brush. I'm just gonna use that for this inner part because it's so hard to get in there. Why doesn't she have any fallout? I'm so confused. Okay, she's already moved on like 2 steps, but I need to do this. I'm also getting some orange to blend this out. Just I need it, yo. It's too hard to blend out this purple without it. I'm gonna have to do the other eye off camera. That took so long. Okay, so this eye was easier to do. This eye got so dark compared to this one, but I'm gonna just keep going and see if it comes together.
But because we have lost all stickiness from applying the shadow over top of the base, I'm reapplying a bit of that concealer to get the stickiness back.
Just using it on the outer and inner corner of her lid. I don't know, guys. Okay, I'm gonna use the purple, the darker purple in this palette because it looks most like what she's using. And then I'm gonna use this one again. So packing that on, there's this kind of little spot where the concealer and the shadow meet that's hard to blend, which is why I hate this method. But it's fine, it's working out kind of okay, so we're just gonna keep rolling with it. Yeah, I hate it. That's the best we got. Alright, people. That took a while. Gonna do it on the other eye now because I hate myself. We gotta go back to the eyelid.
Now I'm cutting the lid using a little bit of that same concealer, and I'm doing a spotlight smoky eye, so it's just focused on the center.
Okay, so I'm gonna use the Kevyn Aucoin because it's the lightest and I feel like the most pigmented, and it's pretty creamy, so I feel like it's gonna make a good line. I'm gonna use a smaller brush, and this is a Nye brush that came in my theater makeup kit.
Still working with the Juvia's Magic palette and taking this shade right here to set the sides of the lid that we just carved out.
So she uses a silver, and my favorite silver, and it looks pretty similar, is this Kylie one from the holiday set from a long time ago. And then she's just setting the outer portion.
So going on this outer portion here, bring it in.
Add back that purple.
And then on that center portion, I'm applying a bit of the NYX Glitter Primer.
Ooh, I have that, if I can find it.
And then finally sticking the hollow glitter over top.
I also have a holographic glitter. It's from Nye. Center of the lid. Wait, did this turn out like hers or not? I can't tell. I'm just pretty sure she brought this up a little bit higher. So when she looks straight, you can see it like above her crease kind of. Okay, so I just brought it a tiny bit higher. This is taking up all of my memory on my camera. I need a new memory card.
Highlighting my brow bone and highlighting my inner corners using an icy blue highlighter.
She highlighted her inner corner with an icy blue. So I'm gonna use blue eyes. Well, I'm gonna mix blue eyes and Star from the Moonchild Glow Kit. Forgot to highlight my brow bone, so I'm gonna do that. And it looks like she's using like a golden shade. So I'm gonna use Lucid from the Prison palette by Anastasia.
Smoking out that waterline using a black coal. This is by Jouer.
Alright, so I didn't realize we're using a black coal liner. So that's great. I never have one. Okay, so I found my Sigma gel liner. We're gonna use just like the back of a brush or something. She brings it like a little bit under her waterline, but not much.
And setting that and smoking it out using a black shadow, and mine is also by Juvia's Place, called Chad.
And then under her eyes, it looks like she used like a dark brown, and this kind of looks like it, and it's called Parallel. It's like a warm, chocolatey, dark brown. I'm just going to use the Dominique Cosmetics palette, and I'm going to use Hazelnut because I actually really like this color. Oh, she put lashes on. Let me get my lashes and put those on. I'll be right back. Okay, lashes are on, finally. I'm gonna set my face just because it's not happening, guys, I'm sorry.
Next to Nothing powder in medium dark.
She's using the Next to Nothing powder, but I have the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in dark, so I'm just gonna use that. Now we glow. I'm gonna mix two highlighters, and they're actually eyeshadows. So the Jaclyn Hill palette from Morphe, first one, Macchiato from Kristen Dominique, because this is my most blinding highlight, even though it's a shadow.
And then for lipstick, I'm gonna take this L'Oreal Balmain Urban Safari Nude lipstick.
Woo! So I have the Maybelline 545.
And then over top to add some color and depth, this Fenty Beauty lip gloss in the color it's a cosmic gloss in the color Spacesuit.
Where's my gloss? I just have this gloss, and it's kind of like my only gloss. I don't really... Yeah, this is my favorite lip gloss. It's called Sugar Enamored. Alright guys, this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun doing it. I didn't think that it would turn out this good. Not to like put myself on a pedestal, but like, oh, that looks good. That was pretty good. Okay, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you want to see next in the comments down below. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, like it and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.